If Gamma is not opening properly, freezing on startup, or giving you a startup error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. These methods work especially well when Gamma looks like it closed, but it's actually still running in the background, or when the app needs a fresh reinstall. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to try is force closing any background Gamma processes. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. If you don't see the full view, click More Details. Now use the search box or look through the processes list and find anything related to Gamma. Sometimes the app window disappears, but the process is still active and stuck in the background, which can stop it from opening again properly. Once you find it, click on it and choose End Task. If you see more than one Gamma-related process, close all of them. After that, wait a few seconds and try opening Gamma again. If Gamma still won't start, the next step is to run it as administrator. Go to the Gamma desktop icon, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions which can fix startup problems caused by Windows security restrictions, blocked files, or permission issues. If a prompt appears asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Then see if Gamma opens normally. In many cases, this is enough to get the app running again without doing anything more complicated. If that does not work, the best fix is usually to reinstall the latest version. First, uninstall Gamma completely from your computer. On Windows, you can do this by going to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, finding Gamma, and selecting Uninstall. Make sure the app is fully removed before continuing. After that, open your browser and go to the official Gamma website. Once you're on the page, look for the icon on the right side of the search bar with the computer symbol. That icon is used to install the desktop version. Click it, and it will download and install the latest version of Gamma on your computer. In many cases, it will also automatically open once installation is complete. This is a great fix if the old installation was corrupted, outdated, or missing important files. If you're in a hurry and just need access right away, there's one more option. Switch to the web version. Open any browser, go to gamma.app, and sign in with your account. The web version is a very convenient fallback because it lets you keep working even if the desktop app is having issues. This is especially useful when you need to finish something fast and don't have time to troubleshoot the app further. In some cases, the web version can also help you confirm whether the issue is only with the desktop install or with your account in general. So, to recap, if Gamma has a startup error, first force quit it from Task Manager, then try running it as administrator, then reinstall the latest version from the official Gamma site, and if you need immediate access, use gamma.app in your browser. These steps solve most launch issues and usually get you back into the app quickly. If this video helped you fix Gamma, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.